we're back in the second set and the Shakey's B-League here on NBN. On November 4, that's a Tuesday at 2 p.m. It's going to be Adamson against UST. Ang pagbabalik ng UST and of course, our defending champs, the Adamson Lady Falcons. And the Shakey's B-League on Makisig Channel on November 4, Tuesday. Ito naman sa hapon, 4 to 8 p.m. St. Benilde against FAU and Adamson against UST. Makisig Sports Channel bringing to you the Shakey's B-League in the evenings. Jose setting up Morada, finding an empty spot. Itong si Morada.
And double M has been a very big headache para dito sa St. Benilde. 4 of the last 5 points of FAU coming from Morada on an assortment of attacks.
That's right, Shakey's. If it's fun, family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Ang paborito natin dyan, siyempre, bunch of lunch. Bata pa ako, bunch of lunch na yun, di ba?
Nakakayang aminin. Bunch of lunch.
Yes, hindi kompleto na yun.
Eh, narinig ko, Grand Slam, Shakey's Sunday Special, Shakey's Special, pero no, bunch of lunch.
Bunch of lunch kompleto eh. Solve ka na dun, solve ka na dun.
May root beer dapat nakasama yan.
Ewan ko, coach, kung naabutan pa dati sa Shakey's, may banda pa yan sa
Oo naman,
diba?
Di hamak naman ng
At that time, ha?
lamang ng age ko sa'yo, no? Pag sinabi mo dating Shakey's, dyan sa Moraita, dyan sa Meta, may banda yan. Pero ang paborito ko kasi kainan nun, kasi may harap ng Ateneo.
Oh,
Kasi pagkatapos namin
tama.
maglaro nun against Ateneo, if we win, doon kami tinitreat ng aming mga managers.
Akala ko doon na nag-aantay.
O gustong-gusto ko pag naamoy ko na yung oven nila na nagluluto ng mga meat crust.
Ayun na.
Excited na ako. Order na ako ng root beer nun.
Oo, tama yung root beer. I remember the root beer also. Back to the game at ginugutom po tayo sa usapan na.
Nagpapasko na po kasi. After ng undas, Pasko na po ang kasunod.
It's a much closer second set we're seeing, Coach Ronnie. 2 points lang ang kalamang ng FU, 9-7.
Definitely. Ngayon, yung errors ng FPU compounding some problems for their St. Benilde. Nabuhay dito sa set number 2. 8 for St. Benilde. 9 para sa Lady Tamaraws.
Sanchez will be serving. And this one is good. This one dug up by Takis Jose. To the outside to Cabanag. Saved by Sanchez. Let's see. It's going to be a free ball for FEU. Gonzalez taking that one. Long exchange we're seeing. And that ended with that Morada hit.
Hindi pwedeng pakawalan ng depensa si Morada. Every time that ball is set to Morada, kailangan may blocker na magpakita. Very efficient. Saka taas tumalun eh. Perhaps the biggest, most efficient leaper para dito sa FEU.
Yung hang time mga ano dyan eh.
Lakas eh.
Good block there and yun eh, medyo nalito si Kwan. Nagkakwanan. Tumama sa
Nalito si Miss Kwan. Ito yung sinasabi natin na leaping abilities. Some players have an initial jump and a second jump.
That's right.
But some players do not possess the athleticism that will give them 2 or 3 jumps. Doon meron. Itong si Maika Morada.
Morada. This one is good. Dug up by Yumang. Again, Kwan gets another chance. And how often do you see that? 2 times in a row. I mean, subsequently, she gets the antenna.
And Cathy Kwan, double K. Once again, committing 2 errors while si double M. Maika Morada for FEU. Pushing the Tamaraws to a 12-8 lead. 3 straight points off her serve.
That's right. It was just down to a single point. And now it's back to 5 with that error coming from Sanchez. Maranan needs to go back in, replacing Kwan.
Yun ang masakit, no? Nakadikit ka na and then you commit 3 consecutive errors.
Yeah.
And suddenly, lumobo na naman ang kalamangan at yung kumpiyansa ng FEU continues to go sky high dito sa ating second set.
Huling tapang, good reception. Ordonez sets up Maranan who just got back in. Jose. Gonzalez also has one of those players who has a lot of hand time. Look at the exchange here. Jose one more time, this time back set to Gonzalez. Yumang had a hand in it. Free ball again for FEU. Tignan natin ang play. Jose with that fake. Oh, this time she sets it over to Benilde. Yun ang tinatawag na regalo. Maagang pamasko.
Indecision, naging problema doon kay Jose. Hindi niya mapili kung kanino siya pupunta. And she just tipped it over the other side of the floor because of that indecision. Puntos para sa St. Benilde. 9 St. Benilde, 13 for FEU.
Veles with the serve. Jose sets this one up for Gonzalez. This one is far away from the net. Oh, Maranan! Ang tawag doon, binaby ang palo.
Kulang sa elevation, kulang sa lakas. At ito, Kulang sa power ang sitwasyon ng St. Benilde. 9 for the Lady Blazers, 14 for FEU. FEU continues to just be in cruise control
That's
dito
right.
sa ating match between FEU and St. Benilde.
5-point spread here. Oh, Ordonez. That ball did not have any chance of getting over.
Had the right idea, did not have the elevation. A little impatience na rito para sa Benilde. Dahil kanina, 9-8 lamang yan. Pero ngayon, FEU 6 points ang kalamangan, 15 against 9.
Pulling away na po itong FEU in this second set. Oh, look at Gonzalez in a hurry to get that point.
May chance na lang tapusin si Velasquez yung play na yun from St. Benilde.
That's right.
Hindi yan nagawa. Tinapos ng FEU, 16 for FEU, 9 para sa St. Benilde.